Hello everyone, I'm Vismay. Today I will show you booking an appointment in a WhatsApp using WhatsApp Flow, which is provided by WhatsApp Cloud API. Here write the messages for the appointment. As you can see, it is showing the title, body and book now button. Now click on the book now button. Here you have to select service type, date and time. After selecting the service type, date and time, click on the continue. Here you have to enter the name, email and phone number. Further details is optional, so I am clicking on the continue. As you can see, it is showing the details of appointment. Now verify the details, then click on the confirm appointment. As you can see, it is showing booking confirmed and showing the details, date, time, name and service. If you want to make this kind of booking appointment on the WhatsApp, you can contact me. I can also modify this booking system for patient appointment, hotel booking and movie ticket booking and many others. WhatsApp also allows many other WhatsApp code templates. As you can see, by default it is showing hello world. Another template is collect purchase interest, which has 3 screens: join now, categories and terms and conditions. Categories, terms and conditions. You can modify this form according to your need. Then another one is the get feedback template. It has 2 screens, recommend and rate. Another template is the send survey. As you can see, it also has a 3 screen. Question 2, question 3. Another template is customer support. It has only single screen details. So you can modify this form according to your requirement. Another template is get leads for a pre-approved loan or credit card. It has a 4 screen: loan details, summary and complete. Details, summary, complete. You can also modify this form according to your requirement. Another one is a provide insurance quote. It has a 10 screen: applicants, cover level, access, details, your health, additional applicant, policy selection, selected policy, your code, and last one is summary. And another one is a capture interest for a customized offer. It has a 4 screen: options, offer, product detail. And another one is a sign in, sign up template. It has a 4 screen: sign up, forgot password, terms and condition. You can also provide this sign in, sign up, forgot password for your service. Sign up screen, forgot password, and then terms and conditions. And last one is appointment booking. And last one is appointment booking, which I have shown in the video. It has a 4 screen: details, summary and terms. Details, summary, and last one is terms. You can modify all the forms. You can modify all the flows according to your requirements and send it to your customer. If you want to make this kind of flow for your business, you can contact me. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.